Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Chevrolet Camaro 2SS 1LE. So it's an Olympic white on black leather interior. We'll just have a look here at the trunk. So it's a pretty deep trunk. It goes in there. I'll just close this up. Have a look at the back. It's got the nice black spoiler there. We've got the SS logo. It's got LED reverse lights, LED tail lights. We've got dual tip exhaust. And as you can see in there, there's the damper. So it's got the NPP. So that's the performance exhaust. So at certain RPM, it opens and closes to make it louder or quieter. And as you can see, we've also got the reverse sensors here on the bumper. So that's great. We've got the black Chevy bow tie symbol with the chrome surround. Looks great. And here we are at the rear wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, and nice Goodyear EagleF1 tires. Looks great. So here we are at the passenger side. We've got power locks, power windows. It's got this nice glossy insert here in gray that accents against the black with the leather down here with the baseball stitching. Nice chrome door handle, and we've got the Boston acoustic stereo as well. And there's also a tweeter up here as well. So we've got the nice Chevrolet kick plate here. As you can see, it's in pretty good shape, looks okay. And here we are at the passenger seat. So you can see the condition of the leather, and we've got the SS embroidered in the top. And again, we've got baseball stitching that goes along. And we've got power for this seat as well. So forward, aft, back and forward as well. So we'll just move this back and let you have a look in the rear. So two nice bucket seats here. Look great. And that should be the release up the top there to fold it down. And we'll just put this back in place. And as we get in, have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. So in here, we've got these nice circular vents that open and close like so. It's got a very cool leather insert here with baseball stitching along. If I flip this down, let's see, we've got books. So the books are there, that's perfect. Close that up. And we've got the black headliner, which is nice too. So I'll just hop in. I'm gonna let you have a look down the side of the car. Looks great. It's got these nice ridges here. Look good. Car looks good. And in the mirror, we've got heated mirrors as well. There it is in the corner. We've got the Camaro symbol down here. And here you are at the front wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers, with nice Brembo calipers there on the front. So here we are under the hood. So there's the strut tower brace, and it's got the V8 6.2 liter 426 horsepower paired to the 6-speed Borg Warner manual transmission. We've also got that strut tower brace, which is great. And as you can see, everything looks clean, everything looks great. So we'll go ahead and close this up. And it's got a hood strut there, so that's nice and handy as well. So on the front, we've got the nice louver. We've got the black matte hood there. In terms of issues, there's one little stone chip here that's been touched up. There and there. And just to show you how small they are when we step back, you hardly see them. They always look bigger on camera than they are in person, but we do want to share anything like that with you. Nope. Outside of that, it looks really good. We've got the nice projector HID headlights with angel eye rings, and we've got fog lights down at the bottom, and we've got the nice black matte chin strap there as well. Looks great. It's in great shape. And here we are on the driver's wheel. So again, no curb rash, no issues, painted rotors, painted calipers. And again, it's got upgraded Brembo calipers on it for the 1LE pack. So that's great. And I'll show you the same thing back here. Looks good. All right, so at the driver's door, we've got Power mirrors, we've got power locks, we've got power windows. Again, the nice chrome finish door handle, the Boston acoustic stereo with the second speaker up there as well, and the nice baseball stitching along the leather there. So let's have a look. Here's the Chevrolet kick plate on this side. Looks great. And here's the driver's chair. So it looks good. And a couple little minor marks here that we've touched up, but I don't think you'll be able to see them at all. Looks good. And one little tiny mark here on the corner. But outside of that, it looks great. So as I get in, have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's go ahead and start this one up. Nice rumble to it. We've got heads-up display there. Just close up the door. So in terms of kilometers, we've got 59,729 kilometers. We've got no warning lights, no issues on the dash. Looks great. And again, there's your heads-up display in color on the windscreen there. And where are the controls? They're down here on this side. Okay, so I can move that along. I can change what's displayed. So we've got a lot of different options there. And then we've got the MFI in the center, which is controlled by these buttons down here. So you can click menu, and then you can turn like that. So if I hit menu, we can, scroll through different things. So oil's fresh, it's good. And then over here we've got cruise control, and on this side we've got Bluetooth and audio controls. We've got the nice SS badging down here. We've got like a honeycomb insert here, and we've got the nice alcantara finish that goes around the steering wheel with the nice grips here at 10 and 2. Very nice. So key turn start, and there's your heads-up display control. There's your wiper controls, and then here's your screen. So if I put the clutch in, we'll put it in reverse. There's your backup camera. Take that out, and we'll go, let's see, radio's currently powered off. So if I turn that on, there's your radio.
Really?
Radio's working.
You got some
Poor signal, just we're inside. So we've got AM, FM, XM, and that's all there. And down below, there's your heating controls. So here's your fan, there's your AC. AC blows nice and cold. And we've got heated seats, passenger and driver. That's great. And then down below, there's your gauges, oil, battery, temperature, and oil pressure. So that's all there. And here's your shifter. So alcantara, suede, micro suede finished boot and knob. And then there's your shift pattern there. And here's your emergency brake. We've got cup holders, and then we've got the center console, so 12-volt socket, and then below that we've got a USB port as well. Up top we've got frameless rear view mirror with OnStar, and we've got the power sunroof here. So I'll go ahead and open the power sunroof, show you that's working. That's great, and we'll close that back up. Awesome. So we'll go ahead and hop out with it running and let you have a listen. Great sounding machine. Let you have a look at the front. The headlights on. They look mean. Looks great. Let you look down the driver's side here. Looks good. No dings, no dents, no issues. Tail lights look awesome. Nice chuck to it, sounds great. There you have it, folks. 2014 Chevrolet Camaro 1LE 2SS here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.